Introducing the Knox Gear 39G wearable Bluetooth speaker, a game changer in portable audio. This sleek, waterproof speaker clips on magnetically, making it easy to attach to your gear. With up to 15 hours of battery life, it ensures your favorite tunes last throughout the day. Enjoy high-quality sound anywhere, whether you're hiking, biking, or just on the move. The Knox Gear 39G combines convenience and durability, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. Introducing our Bluetooth speaker, designed for superior sound quality with HD audio. It's portable, wireless, and boasts an IPX5 waterproof rating, making it perfect for any environment, be it home, parties, outdoor adventures, or the beach. Enjoy up to 24 hours of continuous playtime and seamless TWS pairing with BT 5.3 technology. Ideal for any electronic gadget enthusiast or as a thoughtful birthday gift. Available in sleek black. Discover the TileMate Essentials 4-pack, featuring 2 tile mates, 1 tile slim, and 1 tile sticker. These Bluetooth trackers make it simple to locate your keys, wallet, remotes, and more. Find everything effortlessly. Visit the Tile store today. UFO design with LED lights and 360-degree rotation. It's not just a speaker, it's a stunning piece of tech for your home or office decor. Perfect as a creative gift, it combines cool technology with wireless convenience for a truly unique experience. Experience the magnetic levitation Bluetooth speaker. It plays music while floating in the air. With 5 watts of powerful sound and Bluetooth 5.1, it's a standout tech gadget. Perfect as a unique gift and ideal for home or office decor.